Hello viewers, this is question and answer program of leadership and change management on chapter 4. As usual, the direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. What is planned change? A. Change that happened accidentally. B. Change that is intentionally designed and implemented. C. Change that occurs only in small organizations. D. Change that do not require planning. The answer for this question is B. Change that is intentionally designed and implemented. Question number 2. Which of the following best define unplanned change? A. Change that occurred due to strategic planning. B. Change that happened spontaneously due to external force. C. Change that is only implemented at the managerial level. D. Change that follows a strict framework. D. Change that follows a strict framework. The answer for this question is B. Change that happens spontaneously due to external force. Question number 3. Planned change is typically initiated to A. Adapt new external demand. B. Avoid innovation. C. Maintain the status quo. D. Eliminate all unnecessary. Okay, let me read it again. Question 3. Planned change is typically initiated to A. Adapt new external demand. B. Avoid innovation. C. Maintain the status quo. D. Eliminate all uncertainties. The answer for this question is A. Adapt to new external demand. Question number 4. Why do organizations engage in planned change? A. To ensure stability. B. To improve functionality and adapt to demands. C. To remove all form of competition. D. To delay transformation. The answer for this question is B. To improve functionality and adapt to demands. Question number 5. How does unplanned change differ from planned change? A. It is unexpected and reactive, while planned change is proactive. B. It only affects large organizations. C. It is always beneficial. D. It follows structured process. The answer for this question is A. It is unexpected and reactive, while planned change is proactive. Question number 6. If a company decides to shift from a hierarchy structure to self-managed team, what type of change is this? A. Unplanned change. B. Reactive change. C. Planned change. D. Resistance to change. The answer for this question is C. Planned change. Question number 7. A company facing sudden technological disruption needs to adapt quickly. What type of change is this? A. Planned change. B. Unplanned change. C. No change required. D. Gradual change. The answer for this question is B. Unplanned change. Question number 8. What is the main factor that distinguishes planned change from unplanned change? A. The level of managerial involvement. B. The existence of clear structured process. C. The impact on external stakeholders. D. The number of employees affected. The answer for question number 8 is B. The existence of a clear structured process. Question number 9. Which of the following situations demonstrates resistance to change? A. Employees actively participating in strategic planning. B. Workers refusing to adapt new technology. C. Organizations launch new initiatives. D. Affirm improve efficiency through training. The answer for this question is B. Workers refuse to adopt new technology. Question number 10. A company leader proposes long-term strategy to gradually implement change. What would be the best evaluation of this approach? A. It ensures minimal disruption and increased acceptance. B. It is ineffective because change must always be immediate. C. It discourages employees from adapting. D. It creates more resistance than sudden change. The answer for this question is A. It ensures minimal disruption and increases acceptance. Question number 11. Why is it crucial for an organization to assess external forces before implementing planned change? A. To ignore unnecessary disruptions. B. To align strategies with market trends. C. To avoid any type of change. D. To decrease productivity. The answer for this question is B. To align strategies with market trends. Question number 11. Design a strategy to implement a major organizational change. What steps should be included? A. Identifying the need, planning, communicating, implementing, and evaluating. B. Ignoring resistance, forcing adoption, and avoiding communication. C. Abruptly changing policies without informing employees. D. Implementing change without planning to test employees' adaptability. The answer for this question is A. Identifying the need, planning, communicating, implementing, and evaluating. Question number 13. If you were leading a company through change, which of the following would be the best first step? A. Resisting the need for change. B. Announcing the change without preparation. C. Avoiding stakeholders' involvement. D. Implementing changes without a plan. The answer for this question is A. Assessing the need for change. Question number 14. Predict how employees would respond if change is implemented without prior communication. A. High resistance and confusion. B. Immediate acceptance. C. Increased motivation. D. No effect on performance. The answer is A. High resistance and confusion. Question number 15. How can leaders minimize resistance to change? A. By involving employees in the process. B. By forcing compliance without explanation. C. By keeping plans secret until implementation. D. By avoiding feedback. The answer for question number 15 is by involving employees in the process. Question number 16. How does rapidly changing business environment impact planned change initiatives? A. It makes planning initial to stay competitive. B. It eliminates the need for change. C. It encourages business to resist adaptation. D. It has no effect on organizations. The answer for this question is A. It makes planning essential to stay competitive. Question number 17. Why is employee involvement critically in planned change? A. It reduces resistance and increases commitment. B. It slows down the process. C. It increases uncertainty. D. It creates unnecessary conflict. The answer for this question is A. It reduces resistance and increases commitment. Question number 18. If a company fails to implement change successfully, what might be the primary cause? A. Poor planning and lack of communication. B. Over preparation. C. Too much employee engagement. D. No external factor involved. The answer is A. Poor planning and lack of communication. Question number 19. How should companies balance between planned and unplanned change? A. By having flexible approach to strategy. B. By ignoring external influences. C. By relying only on structured planning. D. By resisting all form of change. The answer for this question is A. By having flexible approach to strategy. Question number 20. What is the most significant challenge of managing change in an organization? A. Overcoming resistance. B. Eliminating all uncertainties. C. Avoiding communication. D. Ensuring that no change occurs. The answer for this question is A. Overcoming resistance. This is all about chapter 4. Thank you viewers for attending this channel.